Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 and Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I'll show you on how to make payment and complete your order on 1688 and Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or IDoVish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make payment to supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. So after you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you want to do is to search for products from different supplier. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to search for products from different supplier. You can check a lot of video tutorial about it on my channel. I have made different types of tutorial on how you can source and ship products and how you can source and add product to cart using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So after you have successful source for product and add the product to cart, go ahead and proceed to your cart right here. Then all the products you have in your cart is going to be found right here. Now, for you to make a payment, go ahead and select them all. So for you to make a payment, go ahead and click on here to select the product you want to pay for. So I'm paying for this, and I'll scroll down. I'm paying for this also. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, you still have time to review everything you have added to cart so far. If you have anything you want to remove from the cart right here, review everything right here and remove. But if you are sure of everything complete, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout and complete your payment. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter your payment password to complete the payment. Now, payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to make a screenshot of this part. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close this pop-up. Then go ahead and click on my profile icon. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. Now here we go, 1 and 2. Now let's go ahead and see how we make payment and complete our order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. I'm going to exit from my 1688 and go ahead and open up my Pinduoduo shopping app. Then go ahead and click on the profile icon to proceed. And go ahead and open up my cart right here. So all the products I have in my cart right here, I'm paying for them one after the other. So I'm going to pay for this. I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this. Then I'm paying for this. So I'm paying for about 4 different products right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then from the checkout right here, go ahead and review everything you have in your checkout. If you have anything you want to remove, you can remove right here. If you have anything you want to add, you can as well add it right here. So right here, there are so many means of payment on Pinduoduo, but in this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay, just like what you see right here. Alipay has been checked. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout and payment with my Alipay. Allow the Alipay to connect. Then go ahead and enter your payment password to complete the order. Payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to make a screenshot of this part. And go ahead and hit on done. Then screenshot this part also. Then go ahead and click on here to close this bumper. Then we have to go to my profile again, refresh my profile. The order I just paid for is going to be found right here, just like what you see right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go back to the profile. The fourth order right here is that simple. Finally, someone asked me to make payment for them on Pinduoduo and 1688. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and send them the proof that the payment has been complete. And if it is exactly what you need, all you have to do is to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So let's go ahead to my WhatsApp right here. So this person right here asked me to pay for them. So I'll go ahead and click on here, gallery, then select all the proof of payment and set order completely paid for 1688 and Pinduoduo. Thank you always. Then send. It's that simple. So you can see my chat with this person's right here. Okay, so if this is exactly what you need, you can reach out to me. Like I said in the beginning of this video, reach out to me on my WhatsApp. I can pay for your order on 1688, Pinduoduo, Hidefish, DJ Gate, or JD, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website. And for more tutorial about importation business, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.